You like the dog? You like the young dog? You like the dog? You like the dog? You like the dog? You like it? A dog? A small dog? Small dog? It's a young dog. Are you seeing water? What are you seeing? What is that? Is that a fish? I was seeing a fish there. Are you seeing a fish? What can you see?
He's saying I can't see whales.
Come here. Yes, come and see nice.
Okay.
Camilla is seeing.
Whoa.
Alright, you want to sit?
Is this shame?
You want to sit? Sit there. Sit there, yes. Sit there. Yes. Is that sour that you're eating? What are you worried about?
The dog.
The dog? No, that one does not fight.
I'm not surprised.
Look at this. Look at the sea. Look.
I know.
You know. Where do you know it from? You know. Oh, you've been here. Look at the fish. Can you look at that fish? There's no dog in the ocean.
Who said that there's a dog in the ocean?
Look at that this red thing there. That is the. You see that red
This
thing?
is no, it's a jellyfish.
Jellyfish.
Look,
Where did you see?
jellyfish is purple.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Where did you see it? Dog. A dog. A dog. You want to play with that small dog? You want to play with that small dog? You like the dog?
That dog is so cute.
So cute.
Yeah.
You like it?
Yep.
But you're scared of it.
I'm not scared of it.
But you were running away.
It's way too tiny. That dog even can't bite.
It can't bite. I saw you running away from the dog. There it is. Your jellyfish.
Mommy, my feet is look like standing in the board. Okay. Yeah. Look, my feet is just floating in.
Just floating.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's just floating here.
Okay.
I'm not even moving.
Okay. You think why did you go the dog? Why the dog gone?
Now I can see.
It's dead.
Come on, the dog go there.
It's dead. Your dog did not go.
The dog is just hiding. Look, I can see his legs. Come on, don't jump. Like that, the boy is going to break. Don't try to jump. The whole ocean is beautiful.
The whole ocean is what?
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Okay, yeah, today there's a lot of water. The ocean is beautiful.
No, Marty.
What is the name of this ocean? What's the name of this ocean, Canelo? What's the name of this ocean?
Namibia.
No, this is not Namibia. It's called Atlantic Ocean.
A covered ocean.
Yes, Atlantic Ocean, yes. That's the Atlantic Ocean.
I see.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Jellyfish eats.
Jellyfish. Don't fall there. Don't fall. Don't fall. Be careful there that you don't fall. Where do you see the jellyfish?
There.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
That was cutting. Daddy, I want to see how jellyfish moves.
Okay. Yeah, you can look from there. Okay. You can look.
Jellyfish move like this.
Oh, like what?
Like this.
Okay. That's how it moves.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
It's the jellyfish looking. And look, I see a jellyfish.
Yes.
That one. Look. Oh, it's not moving.
But the waves are moving it. The waves are moving it. You see, it's moving. Yeah? What is that? What is that? You want to get down? Okay, get down. Okay. Get down. Get down. Why dog? Why? Why dog? Why dog? Why dog? Why is dog gone? You want to sit there? You want to sit there? Okay, let me help you. Let me help you. Yes, you can sit here. Sorry. Sorry. Sit. Sit. Are you okay? Are you okay like that? Okay. 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 Keep your shoes. Keep your shoes. Don't remove the shoes. Why do you want to remove them? What? What? Keep the shoes. Show me. Show me.
It's pink.
Show me. What's the color?
Pink.
Pink. Okay. You like it?
Yeah.
Okay. It looks like a jellyfish. What are you doing on the floor there? What are you doing? Sit down.